Hi everyone! Today we're going to talk about one of the juiciest and sweetest and most surprising fruits ever! Watermelon! Have you ever tasted watermelon on a hot sunny day? Isn't it just amazing? Let's learn all about it. Where it comes from, what's inside, and why it's so good for you. Watermelon is a big round or oval fruit that has a green outer skin and red juicy inside. Sometimes it even has little black or white seeds. Watermelons are super sweet and filled with water. That's why they are called watermelon. Watermelons grow on a vine that spreads on the ground. These vines love warm weather and sunny days, which is why watermelon is grown in places with lots of sunshine. Farmers plant little watermelon seeds in the soil, and with water, sunshine, and care, the vines grow big and strong. Soon, tiny watermelons start to appear, and they grow and grow until they are ready to pick. Now, let's take a look inside a watermelon. The green outer layer is called the rind. It's tough and protects the inside. The red part is the fruit we eat. It's juicy and full of flavor. The black and white seeds are how watermelons grow. If you plant a seed in the ground, it can grow into a watermelon vine. Why is watermelon good for you? Watermelon isn't just yummy, it's super healthy too. It's mostly made of water, so it helps keep you hydrated. It has vitamins like vitamin C, which help keep you strong and healthy. Eating watermelon can also keep you cool on a hot day. It's like a natural, tasty drink of water that's good for your body. Fun facts about watermelon. Watermelons can grow to be super big. The biggest one ever grown weighed more than 350 pounds. That's heavier than a lion. Watermelons come in different colors. Some are yellow inside instead of red. Watermelon is grown in almost every country in the world. Isn't that amazing? Watermelon is a fruit that's fun, delicious, and healthy. And next time you eat a slice, remember all the cool things you learned today. Thank you for learning about watermelon with me. Stay tuned and stay curious. Bye-bye. See you next time.